Hello everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to show you these glass doorknobs I just installed a little while ago. As you can see here, these are reproduction for like vintage homes and stuff, but I replaced the existing doorknobs with these glass ones I got off of Amazon. They're pretty cool. Or rub-ons. You can see here. There's a doorknob, and here's my room. I painted it, had it painted green. Here's the insulators. Here are some more insulators. Here's a 33 kV. You can see having raised. You can see all that, and then I got my tools and stuff. You know, just and there's the other one that I installed. So I gotta. Yep. So that's that. Alright. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.